bodies have mechanisms in place that keeps us from getting SIBO, or bacterial overgrowth, in the small intestine. So one of those mechanisms is really, really, really strong stomach acid. So our stomach acid is so strong that it will kill the bacteria that we unknowingly, of course, ingest through our food and our drinks. And so therefore that bacteria is not coming down into the small intestine. Now, if it gets past that stomach acid, we even have secretions from our pancreas and from our liver, like bile, that will also help to kill that bacteria. Then there's some other mechanisms that will, like if maybe there is a little bit of bacteria still in our digestive tract, we've got a couple of mechanisms that will just kind of help clean house. So one of them is called peristalsis. So peristalsis is the involuntary, or we don't make ourselves do it, wave-like contractions that moves food all the way from our mouth to our anus. And so the peristalsis keeps the food moving, so it can't stay anywhere too long. And therefore, if there does happen to be a few bacteria left after our stomachs and gastric acid and all that killed it, had a chance to kill it anyway, then it's not going to stay there very long, so hopefully it doesn't cause any problems. Now, we have another mechanism called the migrating motor complex. So peristalsis happens when there's food in our digestive tracts, but the migrating motor complex cleans house when there isn't any food in our digestive tracts. And so that's just another way that our bodies help to prevent SIBO. And then there's one other mechanism. It's a valve. So our digestive tract, basically it's the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, colon, anus. But right between the small intestine and the large intestine is a valve. It's called the ileocecal valve, and it's a one-way valve. So food can only go from the small intestine to the large intestine. So the large intestine is where most of our bacteria is supposed to be, and so we don't want it being able to get back up into the small intestine, and that valve keeps it from doing that.